Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I am so excited. This is my first video for the year and it is my easy everyday makeup look. Let's get started. First off, I'm going to start off with my favorite sunscreen. It's Mineral Base by Michelle and I love it. Next, I'll be using CoverGirl's True Blend Base Business Skin Primer with Kaolin Clay. I love it because it's mattifying, so no more shiny face. Make sure to let it dry for 1 minute before applying foundation. Okay, it is foundation time and I will be using CoverGirl's True Blend Matte Made Foundation with Pure's Beholder brush. And if you haven't tried this brush, you have got to try it. It is amazing. It gives you a airbrush look with the densely packed bristles and the silicone core, which holds the product evenly and distributes it just so beautifully. I think you'll love it. It is concealer time and I'm using CoverGirl's True Blend Undercover Concealer. It's a full coverage lightweight concealer, easy to blend. As you can see, I'm using my fingertips. There is no cracking or caking with the concealer and it lasts all day. CoverGirl's True Blend Mineral Loose Mineral Powder is perfect for locking in concealer and foundation. Apply it all over your face and let it set for 5 to 10 minutes to bake. Then use a fluffy powder brush to lightly dust off the excess and blend in for a mattifying and flawless finish. I will be using Morphe's 15T eyeshadow palette in the color Woke Up Like This with my favorite MAC eyeshadow brush 252. With the same eyeshadow palette, I will be using the color Throwback with my MAC 224 blending brush. I will take that color and apply it in my crease. It is time to smoke out the eyes and I will be using Lancome's Le Crayon Kohl Smoky Eyeliner to create a subtle cat eye. I love this eyeliner because it is creamy smooth, it's really comfortable to put on and it blends just beautifully. The next step is to tight line your eyes, and if you don't know what tight lining is, it is the art of applying eyeliner to the upper lash line to give the appearance of bigger eyes. I love a dramatic effect, especially when it comes to the eyes, so I love to apply eyeliner at the waterline too. Okay, I'm really excited to smoke out my eyes and I will be using my Morphe smudge brush. This is perfect at smoking out eyeshadow at the lash line and it blends it great because of its soft bristles and it diffuses colors so nicely. I will still be using the Morphe 15T palette in the color Relationship Goals. I'm going to take that color and just diffuse it right over my eyeliner and I think it looks great, soft but still defined. To maximize the effect of your favorite mascara, you're going to want to use the lash primer, my favorite Lancome Seal Booster. And speaking of favorite mascaras, look at it is Lancome's Definiseals. I've been using it since I was a teenager and it lengthens your lashes like no other. Ladies, I have a confession to make. I am a mascara addict and I am proud of it. I am going over my lashes again with Lancome's Mascara Big Mascara. This mascara is great because it gives your eyelashes, your eyes like a false eyelash look. So I will go and use the lash primer again on my other eye, put on the Lancome Definiseals, and then the second round of the Lancome Mascara Big Mascara, and you will see the effect, and it's quite impressive. Using my Morphe double-sided angle brush plus spoolie, I will use the spoolie side to brush up my eyebrows hairs into shape. It is brow time and I will be using Sigma Color Plus Shape Brow Powder Duo in medium. I will be taking that powder and filling in the areas of my eyebrows that are sparse and also give it some definition. I'd rather go in with a few passes to give it a more natural look, and I love this part of doing my eyebrows. For all of that hard work, I want to hold my brows in place, so I'll be using CoverGirl's Easy Breezy Brow Mascara. It works great, it lasts all day, and it doesn't smear or smudge. I really love to contour my face, and I will be using Pure's Cameo Contour Dual-Ended Contour Foundation Stick to my face. As you can see, take it around the hairline, along the sides of your nose, under your cheekbones, and along your jawline, and this will add depth and dimension to your natural features. Next, it's time to blend. Grab your beauty blender, make sure that it's a bit damp, and take it to the areas where you have the contour. And when you use a sponge like this, it blends in the contour so nice. I know it looks like a lot for those who are not used to contouring, but trust me, it just looks great if you just take the time to blend it all in. I really want my eyes to pop, so I'm using Pure's Be Yourself the eyeshadow palette to add a little shimmer to my eye look. I am using the color Alluring, and I'm applying it at the center of my eyelid, and when the light hits it, it just has this beautiful glow. Next, I'm using Lancome's Blush Subtle Shimmer in Peach Lingerie. It is the second color to the left, and using my Sigma Large Angle Contour Brush to apply this lovely color to my cheeks. What's really great about Lancome's blush is that a little bit goes a long way. Using Sigma's tapered highlighter brush and CoverGirl's True Brand Super Stunner highlighter to highlight the tops of my cheekbones, and this highlighter, you guys, is crazy good, as you can see. What do you guys think of this highlighter? This is pretty good for a drugstore brand. Next, I will be lining my lips with Sigma's Power Liner in the color Carnation. I will take that lip liner and I will trace around the border of my lips. I go just a little bit outside of my natural lip line. I purse my lips to make sure that the application is nice and even. I will be using Sigma's Power Stick Lipstick in the color In Spades. This color is so beautiful. I love the formulation. It's full pigment and you get full coverage on your lips. Finishing off with All Nighter. This is my easy everyday makeup look. I hope that you found it helpful. Please subscribe, give it a like, and tell me what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!